We're going. If you want to just take it in, go ahead. We'll see where we're going.
It's like, damn, I already got fired.
No. Just tell me if you're not comfortable in doing something. That's all.
How far down is it? Which side?
It'll be on the left side here. Boat name is Avalon. H27.
Sailboat?
Yep. So I'm waiting for this guy to want to get rid of this.
There it is, right there. So how you want to do this?
All right, so put our bow, like I did with, right where that 29 and 27 sign is, put our bow up against that, slowly, and then you're going to leave one of the, possibly both, engines in gear. And I'll... When we get on, if there's a way you can make sure the rudder's straight when we get going.
I got you. Hey, I know your routine. That's the one thing I do remember. Did he ever tell you about that one time we found that white sailboat?
You did, finally?
Yeah, they found it. I guess it was tied to the a different gear. It was there, but I guess it was tied to the.
All right, put one of your engines in gear. Bring us up. All right, lead. Turn it so that you turn your. Don't give it any more throttle. Just turn so that it brings her around. All right, straighten them out now. Straighten your motors out. You still in gear?
Yeah.
Both of them or just one?
Just one.
Put the other one in gear. So, no, you don't want reversed, forward. You want to hold. You want the boat to hold itself against the dock. Both motors. Just at idle speed, yeah. There you go. All right, so it's going to be the same drill here, except his ropes look a little smaller than... In past videos, you've heard me talk about vessels being abandoned in the marinas. For whatever reason, their owners have walked away from them. The marinas go to court and actually take ownership of these vessels, and depending on their condition, they are either scrapped or, as in the case of this one, going to be auctioned off. These make really good training sessions for our new captains because they're generally pretty detailed, requiring a hip tow and sometimes some tricky maneuvering. Just keep an eye that we're not floating away here now.
We're still on the dock, so.
Okay. Now you tie it as tight as you can. Yeah, let me just get this a little tight. All right.
Put it back how it was.
Okay. You know what? We need one more line from there to here. Okay. We're free, right? No lines?
Yeah.
You got plenty of clearance
Okay.
back here.
Great. Thank you.
Still good. Really good.
Lean more that way. Just one.
Good.
Turn your strobe on.
Yeah, yeah.
Is this going to that marina that we were just at?
Same one. Yep.
Small one coming right.
Yeah, I see him. Usually when you're towing like this, you just use the engine that's closer in.
Yeah.
Sailboats tow a lot easier than those big. The only thing you got to watch out when you're towing a sailboat stern tow, you go into neutral, you stop, these things just keep going, and you look around, the thing is almost on top of you.
Right.
All right, you want to get ready with a bow line. I'm going to put it right straddling these two docks right here. What's that?
That isn't him, is it? A little Jon-Boat?
Yeah, we should be. It says 1 mile south of the once we get around the corner here, they'll be down there somewhere.
Okay. I guess the nice thing about inshore is if you can't find them, you can call them on the phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Walk you in. I guess you can do that when you're 15, 20 miles out.
They work about 7 to 10 miles. You can get about 7 miles, then you lose it.
Yeah.
Hey, so this is Towboat. We just popped out of the intercoastal. We're about quarter mile south of the Coast Guard station.
Okay.
Can you see us at all, or the red boat?
I might be able to. Yeah, you guys are red, right?
Correct.
Yeah. No, I can't see you yet.
Okay, all right. So we're going to continue. Can you see the bridge? Are you near the?
I see the bridge.
Okay. All right. I know where you are. Then we'll be down there in a few minutes. All right.
There's the guy in front of the boat looks like Santa. He's got his red jacket on.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Sounds good.
Okay.
See you in a few. Bye. So he's down there somewhere. Now that looks like a Jon-Boat. See straight down there? He said he couldn't see me though, but he could see the bridge. So we'll just head that way. You want to go out that way? You're really okay here too.
Yeah, we're at 14.6
Yeah.
in water. And hit him on the starboard side.
Yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll go up. Let's confirm it's them. Then just hang tight. And we'll get your fenders out, and then pull up alongside of them. He said there was a guy in a red jacket on the boat, so that's got to be them. You'd think they would be waving to us, though.
They're fishing.
They usually, when they're broke down, they still continue to fish. They're not making like they... Did you guys call? That you? Okay. Give us a minute. Give us a minute to get our fenders ready. We're going to pull up on your starboard side. Actually, we could pull up. We'll put the fenders on our starboard side, and then you pull up, and the wind should just like take us right into them.
Okay.
You want to put the fenders out? Let me take the wheel. You go ahead and put the fenders out.
Yeah, you're waiting around here. Nothing is being on.
Is that white line around that cleat? Is that a line that we can use, or?
Yeah.
All right. So he's got. You have a cleat on the.
Is there a cleat on the front? No.
All right.
No cleat on the front.
Is there a bow? Is there like a bow eye? All right, just hang on to that for a second. Let me have that.
You want that one?
Yes, sir. Here we go.
Oh, it just ties by the side, huh? Oh my.
So are you going to the ramp by the lighthouse?
Yeah.
Okay. So is there something there to tie it to, or? Oh yeah, there's a cleat there. Okay, good. Make it, Clay, make it a little tighter. So what happened? She won't start, or battery dead, or don't know?
It was working great. We were so happy. Today's our we haven't used it in a year. So we were fishing up there, fishing all over. Everything's working fine, and all of a sudden it wouldn't start.
Maybe it got a rat in the cables.
I don't know.
Maybe, you know what? Is the gas old, maybe? No? Clogged fuel filter or something?
Something. We'll probably get home and it'll start up.
I've had a few of those where I've towed people in and we get to the dock and boom, it starts right up.
Oh, good. Nobody's there. Later on, around April, you come in here and jet ski and sailboat and everything else.
We're gonna put your right
You got a line ready to, or you want
up against the dock over there.
Like it?
Yeah.
You know, he did that, Charlie? Remember that.
I'll remember that. The next time you drive. I think you have to have two motors for that, right?
You can do it with one. Just not as easy.
All right, gents, you need any help getting it on the trailer, or?
I hope not. We'll get it eventually. I gotta go get it.
Thank you, you too.
What time's it?